Hello my lovelies and welcome to the first vlog of the season. Today I am going to get my hair cut. Actually, let me take it down so I can show you what it looks like. It is really shapeless. It's not looking its best at the moment. It hasn't for a while. I know I've complained about this already. So today is the day I'm finally going to get my haircut. And I often take you along with me for those appointments. So I thought we'd do that together today as well. I haven't actually cut my hair since November of last year when I got a bob. I had a bob for a couple of years, as you know, after I donated my hair. And I have enjoyed it, but I have sort of toyed with growing my hair out. I'm honestly not entirely sure what I'm going to do today. It feels a little bit like it's time to just do something a little bit different, but it needs some shape because it's just not really, like, it's really long in the front, it's kind of short at the back, there are no layers, it's just sort of like a blunt cut, so it's super difficult when I style it. It falls so quickly, so I'm just not really enjoying it at the moment, and today is hopefully going to change that. We shall see. I'm going to a new hairdresser as well, so that's always a bit exciting. Anyways, I am ready to head out soon, but I have a couple of parcels that I wanted to open with you guys and get your opinion on them. I thought we could do that together as well. So let me show you first. I have a new handbag that I was very kindly gifted, and this is by a brand I haven't tried it before. It's called Parcels. I'm super excited to try out this brand, and especially this handbag. I think it is a suede handbag, and I feel like I've been talking about this for months now, how much I want to add a suede handbag for autumn. So hopefully this is going to be the bag. Really excited. So shall we just open it? Comes in a dust bag. I love when brands do this, where you have the dust bag be an actual like little tote that you can use as well. Oh, that shade is gorgeous. I'm so excited about this. What a perfect fall handbag. The suede feels super soft as well. Immediately loving that. It's such a rich and autumnal brown. It's just stunning. I absolutely love how soft and slouchy this is. It gives that little bit of cool, relaxed, laid back vibe to the outfit, which I think is amazing, especially with this top handle style. This is definitely going to be heavily used now for fall in my wardrobe. The base is super structured and stiff, so it's not gonna like cave in the bottom and look really sloppy. You're just going to have that luxurious slouch, which I'm so excited about. The back also has a magnetized pocket, which I love these because I just pop my phone in them, so I don't need to open the flap of the handbag every time I go into the bag. So I'm gonna wear this today. So let's just start filling it up. It is quite spacious as well. As you can see, it's fairly wide, so I could definitely fit more than I am going to today, but let's start filling it up, shall we? I have a couple of the MAC Mineralize powders. Honestly, I just rediscovered these recently. They're so good, but I didn't pick the right color, obviously, so I bring around two. Very unnecessary, takes a lot of space, but works well in this handbag. My little card holder can go into one of these side pockets. Compete because I'm going to wear in some shoes today. A key holder, little makeup brush, gum, and I still have so much room left. I'm going to bring my phone in as well. I'm just using it to film at the moment. Yeah, but definitely lots of room, which is really good. I think the crossbody strap is going to be really practical for running errands today as well. I will report back once I've used it a little bit what I think about it, but it's gorgeous. And I'm going to spray this with weather protectant as well. I'm going to do that tonight because I always spray the underneath first, just to make sure it doesn't actually change the sort of color or finish of the handbag. I just do a small area first where it's not really visible. Okay, so this purchase I'm a little bit more unsure about. So shall we just open this? I'm gonna be honest, this is not an item I feel like I can really easily defend because I have already bought a new trench coat this season. So I'm just spoiling what it is already. It is a trench coat. However, I have looked at this for a while now and I just haven't been able to pull the trigger because it is pretty expensive. And then I came across it on sale at 35% off. So I thought, okay, if I'm not going to do it now, I'm just never going to do it. So they literally had one size left in stock, and it's one that I hope is going to fit me. I knew I just had to try. And obviously I have seen this one in real life before. I haven't actually tried it on though, because I figured that was just going to be way too depressing if I ended up really loving it and then it just being too expensive anyways. So here we have it full length. I mean, it just looks so cool. I love the puffy sleeves. I love the double belts. But I think this is around 700 euros, maybe 650 new. So that is just way too spendy. And I've already bought a fairly expensive trench coat this season. So I'm a little bit, I didn't plan on doing another purchase, but because I saw this on sale and I have been looking at it for so long, I knew I had to at least try it. Shall I just unbuckle this and put this on? Okay, so it is at least 100% cotton, but opening this, it's not even lined, which feels like quite an expensive piece to not be lined. Everything is finished beautifully though, with like all the seams are bound. There is no like overlock seam or anything. So shall we just try it on and have a look? Shoot. I feel like the exaggerated shape is so flattering because you have a really defined waist with it, and the really sort of like balloon sleeve on it as well. While I think those can be a little bit unflattering sometimes, here I feel like it really makes the waist look so much smaller. I'm not 100% sure if I can justify two fairly pricey trench coat purchases in this one season. I could technically just wear this one out. I'm so tempted to wear it out straight away actually. But it really does need a proper steam and to hang and just cool down. So I think I'm just going to go with a blazer for today. I think it's a keep, but you let me know if it's completely mad or not. So shoes on. Absolutely love a red pop of color. And the outfit is complete with the Parisa Wang handbag. I think the full texture on this, I absolutely love the brown and the black together as well. Makes the whole outfit just feel so much more autumnal. I absolutely love it. I think I might need to bring an umbrella today. I'm running a few errands as well after getting my hair cut. So hopefully that will not be me doing errands while crying, because I'm still undecided on what to do with my hair. Not really sure what I'm going to end up with today. So either way, let's head out. Okay, on my way to the hairdressers now. I realized I didn't really talk through what I'm planning to do, but I'm going to someone whose Instagram looks very sort of layered and beautiful and feminine and lots of volume. So I'm hoping that is something I'm going to get today. I have been toying with getting like bangs-ish, like long curtain bangs. So yeah, it's going to be, I think, a surprise no matter what I go for. I also value their expertise in knowing what looks good on other people. But I think maybe I will go back to the bob later, at some later stage. I'm ready for a change. It's so sort of like, just hanging there. So sick of it. Okay, headed there now, just a few minutes away, and no minutes to spare as per usual. Okay, so headed into masses of people now, so I'm going to stop talking to a camera in public, and I'll see you when we're at the salon. please excuse the very sweaty forehead. I have been running errands for a couple hours. It just took much longer. I kept remembering one more thing to do, and then I also kept stopping by clothes shops, as you saw. So it's probably about time to end the vlog here, but I just wanted to give sort of a bit of an update on my hair. I am really happy. It's probably a bit longer than I kind of initially expected or thought I would go for. Like I'm thinking maybe I could have had this piece even shorter, but I think this is a good length to live with for a little bit and just see how I get on. I love the movement in it. It feels so much lighter. She took out so much of the thickness of the hair. So it just feels so much easier and it just moves so much better. I definitely need whatever she used in my hair. I should have taken a photo of the products, but there we are. So yeah, I really enjoy that it's kind of having a little bit of that swoosh. We'll see if I'm able to style it myself. She was so helpful. She even had me sort of do it myself in the salon so she could help me, which I mean, just amazing. Absolutely, really, really loved her. So I am definitely going back. So it's not a huge change, but it still feels a lot better. And yeah, we are not going bob yet. I do still miss my bob, but I think we're doing this for a bit now. So thank you so much for following me along to the hairdressers and coming along with my day. Let me know what you think about the hair, and also if you think I should keep the GANNI trench coat, because I'm still thinking about it and I think maybe I need to. Ooh, okay. Anyways, let me know if you want to see more vlogs. I never really know. I am very out of practice with filming them. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you very shortly in the next video. Bye!